While you sleep, your cells are not just resting. They are meticulously engaged in a complex, synchronized symphony of repair, detoxification, and regeneration, a nightly overhaul that dictates every aspect of your health and cognitive function when you awaken. This isn't just downtime for your body, it's peak performance for your fundamental building blocks. Consider your brain cells, the neurons. They are the bustling architects of your thoughts, memories, and emotions, firing thousands of times a second during the day. This constant activity, while magnificent, produces metabolic waste, a cellular debris field of proteins and byproducts that can build up, much like traffic congestion in a city. It's during deep sleep that the brain's unique waste disposal system, the glymphatic system, kicks into overdrive. Cerebrospinal fluid, which normally bathes the brain, is pumped into the brain tissue, literally flushing out these accumulated toxins. The brain actually shrinks by about 60% in volume during sleep, allowing these channels to open wider, making way for the molecular garbage collectors to do their work with unprecedented efficiency. Without this crucial nightly cleanse, these waste products, particularly certain proteins like amyloid beta, accumulate. You've heard the alarm bells about these proteins. Their unchecked buildup is directly linked to neurodegenerative diseases. So that groggy, slow-witted feeling after a night of poor sleep isn't just in your head, it's a direct consequence of your cellular sanitation workers not completing their shift. But the brain isn't just clearing house, it's also consolidating. Think of your memories as fragile clay sculptures formed throughout the day. While you're awake, experiences flood in, creating new neural connections, new potential memories. It's during sleep, particularly REM sleep, that these raw experiences are processed, filed, and cemented into long-term memory. Your neurons literally replay the day's events, not as a conscious recollection, but as an internal rehearsal, strengthening the synaptic connections that hold these memories. They are like a master archivist, meticulously categorizing and cross-referencing every piece of information, deciding what to keep and what to discard. This is a cellular act of selection and reinforcement, a biological editor making sense of the day's chaos. Without this crucial step, the learning you did, the faces you saw, the words you read, they simply slip away, never truly becoming a part of your permanent mental landscape. We often underestimate the silent power of this nightly rewrite. Beyond the brain, every cell in your body is undergoing a similar, though perhaps less dramatic, transformation. Take your muscle cells, for instance. During your waking hours, especially if you're active, these cells experience micro-tears and deplete their energy stores. Sleep is when the heavy lifting of repair happens. Growth hormone, a powerful anabolic hormone, surges during deep sleep. This isn't just for children, it's vital for adults too. It signals to your cells time to rebuild. Amino acids, the building blocks of protein, are ferried into muscle cells to repair damaged fibers and synthesize new proteins. This process doesn't just restore muscle, it builds it. This is why athletes prioritize sleep as much as training. They instinctively understand that recovery isn't passive. It's an active, cellular construction project that happens primarily while they are unconscious. What about your skin cells? They are your body's first line of defense against the outside world, constantly exposed to UV radiation, pollution, and physical stress. Every night, these cells undergo an accelerated rate of regeneration. Old, damaged skin cells are shed and new, healthy ones are produced. The blood flow to your skin actually increases during sleep, bringing with it vital nutrients and oxygen, fueling this nightly renewal. This is the biological basis of beauty sleep. It's not a myth, it's a testament to the incredible cellular machinery working diligently beneath the surface, ensuring your largest organ remains vibrant and protective. Without sufficient sleep, this process falters, leading to a duller complexion, slower wound healing, and accelerated aging at a cellular level. And then there's DNA repair. Your DNA, the intricate instruction manual within every single cell, is constantly under assault. From environmental toxins to normal metabolic processes, countless assaults occur daily, creating nicks, breaks, and errors in its delicate double helix. If these errors go uncorrected, they can lead to mutations, cellular dysfunction, and even cancer. During sleep, your cells activate specialized repair enzymes and pathways that meticulously scan and correct these DNA damages. Think of tiny molecular mechanics, armed with precision tools, moving along the DNA strands, patching up imperfections. This is a high-stakes, behind-the-scenes operation. It's a testament to evolutionary wisdom that we've developed a dedicated period for this critical maintenance. We know that chronic sleep deprivation directly correlates with an increased risk of various diseases, and impaired DNA repair is a significant contributing factor. Your ability to resist illness and maintain cellular integrity hinges on this nightly biological security check. Consider the mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells. They convert nutrients into ATP, the energy currency your cells use to perform every function imaginable. During the day, they work tirelessly, sometimes accumulating damage from oxidative stress. Sleep provides a crucial window for mitochondrial repair and biogenesis, the creation of new mitochondria. Cells can literally dismantle damaged mitochondria and recycle their components, or they can ramp up production of new, efficient ones. This ensures that when you wake up, your cells are primed with a robust and ready energy supply. Imagine an energy grid. During the day, it's constantly generating power, but at night, it's not only repairing any faults but also building new, more efficient power plants to meet future demands. This cellular energy optimization is foundational to preventing fatigue and maintaining metabolic health. And what about your immune system? Far from taking a break, your immune cells are actually incredibly active during sleep. Think of them as the night watchmen of your cellular city, performing surveillance and strategic planning. While you sleep, the body produces and releases cytokines, small protein messengers that play a critical role in orchestrating immune responses, particularly inflammation and fighting infections. T cells, crucial components of your adaptive immune system, are more efficient at locating and destroying infected cells when you've had adequate sleep. Sleep literally strengthens your immune memory, helping your body remember past invaders and mount a quicker, more effective defense if they return. Ever notice how you're more susceptible to catching a cold after a few nights of poor sleep? This isn't a coincidence. It's a direct reflection of your immune system's diminished capacity at the cellular level. Your cells are essentially telling you, we need our rest to fight effectively. We often forget the microscopic drama unfolding within us, mistaking sleep for mere inactivity. But our cells are also rebalancing hormones. Beyond growth hormone, countless other chemical messengers are fine-tuned. Leptin and ghrelin, hormones that regulate appetite, are modulated during sleep. Adequate sleep helps maintain a healthy balance, preventing the increased hunger and cravings that often accompany sleep deprivation. Cortisol, the stress hormone, which is typically high during the day to keep you alert, naturally dips during sleep. This allows your body to relax and your cells to repair without the constant biological alarm blaring. Melatonin, often called the sleep hormone, peaks during the night, not just helping you fall asleep, but also acting as a potent antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage. It's a precise, intricate dance of chemical signals, all orchestrated to optimize cellular health. Consider the intricate world of gene expression. Your DNA doesn't just sit there. Certain genes are turned on or turned off at different times, dictating what proteins your cells produce. During sleep, there's a profound shift in gene expression. Genes involved in inflammation and stress response tend to be downregulated, while genes associated with repair, metabolism, and immune function are upregulated. This is a deliberate, highly regulated process. It's like a factory floor where certain production lines are halted for maintenance, while others, dedicated to rebuilding and retooling, come alive. The genetic instructions for cellular rejuvenation are literally being read and executed while you are unaware, a testament to the elegant self-regulating mechanisms of life. You are, quite literally, being remade at a genetic level every single night. This complex, coordinated cellular activity isn't just about survival, it's about thriving. Imagine the cumulative effect of neglecting this nightly cellular maintenance. What happens when the trash isn't taken out, when the repairs aren't made, when the power grid isn't optimized? The system slowly degrades, performance suffers, and eventually, breakdown occurs. Your cellular health is not something you can postpone or shortchange without severe repercussions. It affects your mood, your cognitive abilities, your physical endurance, and your long-term disease risk. The science is increasingly clear. Sleep isn't a luxury. It's an absolute biological imperative, a non-negotiable requirement for cellular integrity and optimal human function. We're talking about a phenomenon so fundamental, yet so often taken for granted. Think about the subtle cues your body gives you, that feeling of hitting a wall in the late afternoon, that craving for sugary foods, that difficulty focusing. These aren't just quirks of your daily routine. They are often direct cellular cries for help, signals that the nightly repair crew was understaffed or given insufficient time. You might feel like you're pushing through, but at a microscopic level, your cells are struggling, accruing deficits that will eventually come due. Esses déficits não são abstratos, são falhas concretas nas linhas de montagem mais vitais do seu corpo. Imagine, por um momento, as delicadas fitas do seu DNA, o projeto mestre de sua existência. Durante o dia, elas são bombardeadas por radicais livres. Eras de replicação, até mesmo luz UV. Quando você dorme, exército de enzimas entra em ação, inspecionando e reparando cada segmento danificado. É como se cada célula tivesse sua própria equipe de manutenção de emergência, trabalhando incansavelmente sob a cobertura da noite. Mas quando o sono é encurtado, essa equipe é demitida antes do expediente, deixando para trás um rastro de danos não consertados. Você acorda com pequenas cicatrizes genéticas que se acumulam dia após dia, semana após semana. O resultado? Um risco silenciosamente crescente de mutações que podem levar a doenças crônicas, incluindo câncer. Não é uma ameaça distante, é o custo invisível de cada noite mal dormida. E não para por aí. Seu cérebro, essa máquina prodigiosa que nos define, tem um sistema de limpeza único, o sistema linfático, que opera em sua capacidade máxima apenas durante o sono profundo. Pense nela como o sistema de esgoto da sua mente, drenando as toxinas metabólicas que se acumulam enquanto você está acordado, como as proteínas beta-amiloides, que, quando acumuladas, estão intrinsecamente ligadas a doenças neurodegenerativas como Alzheimer. Sem uma noite completa de sono restaurador, seu cérebro não consegue se limpar adequadamente. Você já sentiu aquela névoa mental, a dificuldade em processar informações ou a irritabilidade que surge após uma noite de insônia? Isso não é apenas cansaço, é o resultado direto de um cúmulo de lixo metabólico que seu cérebro não conseguiu descartar. É como tentar pensar claramente em um quarto cheio de fumaça. A performance é inevitavelmente comprometida. A cascata de problemas se estende por todo o corpo. Seu sistema imunológico, a fortaleza que o defende de invasores, é calibrado durante o sono. As células T, os soldados de elite do seu corpo, são significativamente menos eficazes após a privação do sono, deixando você mais vulnerável a infecções, desde um resfriado comum até ameaças mais sérias. É como desarmar a sua guarda antes de uma batalha iminente. E as orquestrações hormonais? O sono é o maestro que rege o equilíbrio entre a grelina e a leptina, os hormônios da fome e da saciedade. A falta de sono sabota esse equilíbrio, disparando a grelina, que te faz sentir fome, e suprimindo a leptina, que te faz sentir saciado, levando a desejos por alimentos calóricos e ao ganho de peso. É uma armadilha biológica projetada para te fazer buscar energia rapidamente, custe o que custar. Cada aspecto da sua saúde, da clareza mental à resiliência emocional, da capacidade física à longevidade, está intrinsecamente ligado à qualidade do seu sono. Eu percebo que, na correria do mundo moderno, negar a si mesmo esse tempo essencial muitas vezes é visto como um sinal de força ou produtividade. Mas é, na verdade, uma erosão gradual do seu próprio ser, uma negociação perigosa com a sua biologia mais fundamental. As consequências não são imediatas, mas implacáveis, construindo-se silenciosamente até se manifestarem como problemas de saúde que parecem surgir do nada, mas que, na verdade, estavam sendo gestadas nas noites em que você sacrificou o seu descanso. The impact ripples outward. When your cells are rejuvenated and refreshed, you experience improved concentration, enhanced problem-solving skills, better emotional regulation, and a stronger ability to resist illness. This isn't magic. It's the natural outcome of a meticulously maintained internal environment. Your physical performance improves, your mental acuity sharpens, and your overall resilience to stress increases. It's like upgrading your operating system every single night, ensuring peak performance for the challenges of the day ahead. So, the next time you drift off to sleep, pause for a moment to appreciate the incredible, invisible labor occurring within every fiber of your being. From the intricate dance of synaptic pruning in your brain to the meticulous DNA repair in your skin cells, from the energy replenishment in your mitochondria to the strategic activation of your immune system, your body is engaged in a profound act of self-preservation and renewal. It's a silent, awe-inspiring testament to the sophistication of life, happening right inside you every single night. The health and vibrancy you experience each morning are not given. They are meticulously earned by the dedicated, tireless work of your cellular blueprint. Your well-being isn't just about what you do when you're awake, but what your cells do when you're not.